natin yung gown doon para maiba naman. Minsan nakakaboring lang parati na nasa bed. Kaya bigyan natin. Please look na sa. Wow. So we're going to start the beauty shots now for the bridal robe. Tara. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Ilagay mo yung ano. Ilabas mo yung paa mo. Yeah, para na kailangan naka-forward yan. Sige lang kasi naka 2.8 naman to, 1.4. Ayun. Kabila. Tingin lang dyan. Tingin mo pa. Yan, that's it. Buksan lang. Walang. Go. Then look at the window. Andun tawa ka. So, oh, di ba? Gusto ko yung lumabas to, oh. Kasi sexy siya, pero hindi siya bastos, kumbaga. Hindi siya, parang hindi siya sobrang daring. Oo, parang gano'n. Parang ganyan lang, oh. Yan, oh. Yan, di ba?
Oh, kuya, ganda.
Oo. Oo. Tara, let's go. Happy ka naman?
Happy, super.
Ang ganda. So guys, we're going to take photos with the groom. Groom trip. Let's go. So I'm going to bring him in the lobby. Hindi kasi siya nabagay yung yung room sa house. Yung house yung nyo old, di ba? Tapos biglang yung room parang modern. Kaya hindi ko siya parang hindi siya bagay kung gagamitin natin. Labas tayo. Diba? Dito na tayo. Okay, lakad. Go. Papunta sa dulo. Sige, diretso pa. Hello everyone, we just finished the bridal prep and the groom prep photo shoot. We are here now waiting for the ceremony. So the ceremony will take place in this room, and then after that one, they will just tidy up this one for the wedding breakfast. So the wedding breakfast will be in this room as well. It's quite a small wedding. It's just only 20 guests. So they got fresh flower, nice room with the chandelier. Wow, look at that. Ayan, ganyan, di ba? Pap. O yan, oh. Gusto ko yan, oh. Pap, oh.
So, miss ko yan.
Di ba? Ano, papunta ka rito.
I'm so happy. Ang galing-galing. Ang perfect ng mga shots ni Kuya 30. Recommended talaga. Galing-galing. Parang photoshoot talaga.